everything they deserve. Only 2 penalties stopped them from being the best country, or the best team in the country, if not Asia. Asia Vlastelica, dečki, dobrodošli. Massive round of applause for these boys, guys. Come on. We just got to control the flares, guys. We've got fireworks coming up later, but let's get the festivities done with the boys. The club's on watch, unfortunately, but let's show them that, you know what, ima nas dosta, ima ljubav tu, ima sve tu. Ajmo skupa, dečki. Let's sing for these boys, and you know what? Let's give them the send-off that they deserve, because unbelievable, dečki. Unbelievable. Kako je?